Hey guys, for chapter 3 in gallery, let's talk about how you want to get started with this. So eventually what we're going to do in this chapter, so we want to go back and we want to add images to our page, and we want to make the other supporting pages. So right now we have an index page for the home, but we're also going to make these other pages here. And again, we already have the template set up, so we're going to go back, we're going to modify the template. We're going to modify the text that's up here in the logo. We're going to put an image there. We're going to add an image placeholder up at the very top, so an editable region, so we can place images on every single page. We're also going to move our content area a little bit lower. We're going to add some icons down here to link out to Facebook and Twitter. And again, really, that's the main gist of what we're going to do for this. I suggest that you look back on page 141. You'll be able to see what the pages look like that you're going to go back and create. Now, you do want to make the images folder here. And again, you want to go back out to the directions on this page here. And again, you want to download the zip file and you want to put that in. So that's what they're talking about here on 151, where you have to go back and do that. When you show me your video with this, again, you're going to want to show me your images that they're in there. Make sure there's nothing else in there as well. In Schoology, references, how to, where do you go for help? Again, in chapter 3, you really want to go back to this resources and videos. This will take you through the different sections of gallery. In chapter 3, this will help you out. I've added some additional notes on here. How do you force a manual update to page? Because sometimes when you make a change to a template, the page that you're on does not get updated. So how can you do that? And I also talk about some tips on here. But again, this is a good place to start watching these videos. But this is, again, with gallery, this is always the hardest one. But again, when you get through this, you're going to start forming a website and it'll make a lot more sense. Let me know if you've got questions.